Dear audience, honorable teacher and my loving friend, Assalamu alaikum. It is a pleasure for me to giving an opportunity to speak before all of you. This is Fiza from Ar-Rahim Model High School, Gujranwala, to deliver a short speech on the topic of my father. The name of my father is Tahir. My father is the sweetest gift for me from Golden Mighty. His very kind personality is very kind and gentle to me. He is my real hero, best friend and best person in my life. He knows what I want. He knows what I demand. He takes care of me and family according to his ability. He does every possible thing to make me happy. I am always thankful to Golden Mighty for giving me such a great father. I am proud of my father. I love you, Papa. I love you, Papa. This is a song.